Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this MIG 3-in-1 110 volt welder. I've already been using this for over a month now and I'm still learning how to use this. This is a great beginner's welder kit. So let's get into it and let me show you what everything brings. So here's the welder itself. You can see it right here. It has a nice display screen. You're able to adjust your amperage here and your voltage. You're also able to switch between the different welding. So you have your MIG, your stick, and then even a Lift TIG that you're able to use here. Then right here, this is where you attach your negative, your positive, and then the attachment for the MIG welder. Here. The inside here, this is where you feed the flux core right here. You put it in there. On the back is your on and off button, your power cord, and the fan to dissipate the heat from the instrument. It comes with the wire brush and to break off any things. Here's your negative clamp. Here's your stick. Here's the MIG welder. There's a little latch, buttons. You see right there. It comes with 2 extra tips. And then it even comes with the flux core right here. So let me show you how to use it. So first I'm gonna clean all the rust off of this metal tool. And once it's nice and clean and I get the bare metal, then I'm going to put the negative on there and then I'm gonna start welding. So I'm still learning how to use this stick welder. So you can see how it tacks it nicely, and I'm just doing it slowly as I'm still learning how to use it. So this is the result of what I tack weld, and you can see that it does a nice tack nicely. Overall, this is a great beginner's welding machine. I like how well that the item is made. I also like how you're able to use different welding things here, either the MIG, the stick, or even the Lift TIG. I also like that it's easy to use and it's great for beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe.